You were able to find 8 deals. You found 8 deals for $22,000 and you only needed to find 1 deal. That's crazy, girl. Tell us about them.
So I haven't even made calls like my goal is to make 2 calls a day or 3, something like that. And before I can been able to make my calls, my phone's been ringing all this whole past week to where I'm getting deals. It's just crazy. Just people are calling me.
Yeah, you're starting to find that the popcorn is popping and now you're probably not lead generating as much. You're probably following up more. And now that you're following up more, they're starting to turn around and refer you more. So it's kind of all of that compound effect.
Yes. And the one listing that I talked about last time that I got from the family that had their house listed for like 500,000, but they didn't want to use me.
Yeah.
And then I just moved on, and they called and I had their house listed now. It's an investment property, but I have it listed. That one got under contract the day that we listed it, and we close on it next week.
Nice.
What's neat about it is now his relative has called and asked me, and now that whole family is
Coming to you.
trust me. Yeah.
Right, exactly. So just taking that call, servicing the one person, servicing them where they were at, maybe,
Yeah.
and not having that commission breath, I think has brought you a long ways from where it used to. Where before you were worried about the sale, now you're not worried about the sale, and they're just falling up from the sky for you.
Yes, basically, that's what's happening.